we're going to click on the account page. And we're going to do what's called a reoccurring link. I could use my personal link, personal meeting ID. I really don't recommend this. It is not secure. It's just not professional. So we're going to go to meetings, and it is much easier to do this on the website rather than trying to do it on your phone or trying to do it on the Zoom client, which you will need to download. So first steps first, let's make our meeting link. I'm going to click on schedule a meeting. So again, meetings, schedule a meeting, and you do need to have your account signed in to do this. Schedule a meeting. Next up, let's say I'm meeting with a specific student. Maybe I'll type the student's name, like Samantha and Miss Irene's meeting. And Miss Irene. Now, I like to just make my reoccurring links. I make room A and room B so that I don't have 20 links for 20 different students. I used to do it that way. It's too many links. I recommend having 2 links. Let's say you have students back to back, like a student at 3 p.m. Send them the invite link for room A. The next student that you have at 4 p.m., give them the link for room B. That way you alternate A and B, and the students never overlap meetings. So let's call this Miss Irene's tutoring room A in the description, which will pop up when the student joins the room. So I'm going to put in general, or I could put private tutoring meeting, private tutoring with Miss Irene, and that's it. Now here, don't click on anything on when, duration. The whole point of this is we can use this link forever. So we're going to skip this and click recurring meeting. And here where it says 7 occurrences, I don't want that. I want an infinite link. I never want to do this again. So I'm going to click no fixed time. You can choose to have a passcode. I don't like to have one. Instead, I just have a waiting room. That way I can just accept invitations as needed. And that's it. Here, you can click on if you'd like to have the video immediately on, require people to have video. I just leave it off because I like to give people a chance to settle in. I don't want to catch anyone off guard. Click on save, and that's it. Now I have my reoccurring room A. From here, you can just copy the invite link, and I recommend saving it somewhere. For my tutors, I really do all this for you, and then I put it in our back end. But if you're just making a recurring link, then go ahead and copy it, save it somewhere, just in case you have someone email you or text you and say, hey, I don't have the link. Here's another trick. You know that meeting ID I talked about in the beginning? You can just copy this number right here. That's the meeting ID, which is why I don't use a passcode. I can just text students this link, this ID right here, and they can log in from wherever they are. And that's the easiest way to do it.